me take my glasses off. He's stupid as fuck.
That ain't what.
Yeah, take a look from the bottom. I know it's hard to believe you can achieve it without them. And they gon' love though they doubt it. Better hands down.
Welcome back! It's your girl, Crazy Ebony.
It's your boy, City Boy.
And we back again with another
Lit video.
And in today's video, we are doing a food
review.
So we're gonna start out with the hot Takis.
Box water milk.
It's not a milk.
Oh, water.
Yeah, it just says box water is better.
Oh, box water. I thought it was water milk.
Because it's box. Yeah, so this box water. It's our first time trying box water and also hot Takis. These Takis, little like pizza rolls things, but not like cheese rolls, but they Takis. So we're about to try this and this.
Oh my God.
Ooh, they look spicy, hot, fire.
I just want to open the milk for y'all right now.
Kind of shit milk to do.
Damn, it's not milk.
He needs some milk.
He think it's, well, it looked like milk because it's in a carton.
Yeah, like that's the old Milk Boy carton. They can't play with milk like this.
Bang, 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 bang. I'm about to go throw these boys in the air fryer.
Hold on, let me do the sound again.
Really, nigga?
All right, so I'm about to do that. We thinking we're about to do some questions, like some Q&As. People has been asking us different questions about us, like what we met at and how long we've been together.
All type of nosy shit.
Yeah, nosy questions. So we probably gonna come back with some little questions about us. So we'll let y'all link into y'all into our little live and let y'all know a little bit about me and say City Boy. So I'll be back. Let me go stick these in the fryer.
Hurry up. I don't play that shit. We'll be right back.
All right, guys. I forgot. I put Savvy on some taco meat on. Let me go scramble this meat real quick. One more time.
A few moments later.
She's tripping. She about to burn that shit up.
Boop, I'm back. Savvy, I'm talking about some. This ain't no food that's gonna fill me up. I need some more food.
Yeah, of course. That's what I said.
It didn't.
Yeah,
Okay.
I said it.
Anywho, we about to go ahead and crack open this bottle. It's not even a bottle. It's a box.
Box water.
Do the honors. Got my glass.
Honor, guys, to open the box water. The heaven sound effect.
Oh, wait. What's that?
All right. I want to pour yours first.
Yeah.
What?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I'm not like this.
You gotta drink all of that.
Okay, you see.
You see how much I poured in?
Clear. It's like little suds. It's still
Oh,
suds.
no, I don't know, y'all.
Pour the water.
It's better than our water, though.
Pour your water.
So we can drink anything.
We will not drink anything. Not me. I don't know.
Listen, we from Flint. See, listen.
I'm not drinking it.
This water right here,
Let's try it.
10 times better.
Okay, let's do a toast.
Is Obama, hold on, if Obama drunk our water.
Can I get some water?
Before a crowd of 1,000,
I really did need a glass of water. This is not a stunt.
President Obama took a sip of Flint's filtered tap water, assuring the people there that he cares.
Not no toast. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm scared.
I don't taste different. It don't taste anything different to me. How about you, baby?
I don't know. It's something, hold on.
Something in water. Something don't feel right. What's that song? Or did you say
That's
something?
pretty good.
You don't like it?
I don't know. I'll pass on it, man. This the box. It's something about it. It's the box.
It tastes just like pure water to me. It don't taste no different than purified water. It do not taste like spring water because spring water has a little salty taste to it. It's not salty. It tastes like purified water. Do it say purified? Oh,
It did.
Just look. It say purified water. I know what purified tastes like.
Oh,
So,
I just drunk a Capri Sun though. That's why.
It's purified. It's water, and it's gonna be busting with them Takis. Okay, so but our first question, we doing a little quick question. So start out with the first question. You remember it? Okay, let me pull it up.
The first Q&A. She's gonna pull it up, guys, and I'm gonna read it, Cause you guys, you know, y'all keep asking. We're gonna give it to y'all. Okay.
First question, number one.
Where did we meet? Okay. We met, guys. We met at a church. She used to be at church, sleep, peeking at me.
Not sleep.
Yeah, man. I think she low key stalked. But I don't know. Did you used to stalk me?
I ain't used to stalk him, but I used to stare.
Yeah, she stalked me. She used to call me boyfriend.
I did.
I'm gonna pull the cat out the bag since you want to lie. She used to be like, boyfriend.
Who else do you think has been stalking you night and day, building shrines to you in a closet, filling volumes of books with poems about you? I love you, Arnold. I've always loved you ever since I first laid eyes on your stupid football head.
I did, and we wasn't even dating.
Everybody thought we was going together. Her cousin thought we was dating. She had a cousin named she thought we was dating.
Don't name bomb. Don't name bomb.
The pastor thought we was dating. The pastor thought we was dating.
The funny
God
part,
thought we was dating.
God knew we was gonna be married.
Christians thought we was dating. Everybody just thought we was dating at the time.
You get on my nerves.
What?
You really do. Even my real boyfriend thought he was. No,
See that?
no, it was bad though. It wasn't that bad, but it was. Okay, I used to, what they say, speak him into existence. I really did used to like him when I first saw him. Like, I was, okay, well, we was young. I was like 11 when I first met him. I think he was about 10 when I was 11.
I was 10?
I know, right? I'm a year older than you.
Oh, okay.
I'm older than him. So, anywho, I liked him from the first day I seen him. I was like, damn, this nigga is sexy. He used to have
like,
long
damn,
braids.
mama, you know,
And he lying. He ain't say shit. He was shy. He ain't say nothing.
Yeah.
But the funny part is, though, it is something that's funny. Because, okay, you know how you young. So I liked him since I was about 11. We didn't start talking till I was about, 13, 14 is when we really started talking. And, like, I got his number. We wasn't, like, talking, but I just got his number.
I got your number when I was 12.
No, you didn't. Did you?
Yeah.
You remember? And I was 13.
I said, put your number in my phone. I asked my mom, can I get a phone just to get your number?
He lying now.
Like, I had to. He was just staring at me sleep. Like,
He lying now, y'all. But the funny part is, my cousin, so him and my little cousin used to go to the same school, right?
This shit don't come out the bag. He
Under my phone, his name used to be boyfriend, right? See? Under my phone, even though he wasn't my boyfriend, but his name was boyfriend because I really liked him. So, anywho, he
Sneaky link.
My cousin one day saw him at school talking to other girls, and she
I was fighting niggas all the time. I said, damn, oh shit. To fight, all type of shit.
Because they was like, you every boyfriend,
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat your ass.
You cheating on my cousin? I said, nigga, put my shirt down, nigga.
He lying, but yeah,
All type of shit, man.
My cousin's like, I'm telling my cousin you talking to other girls, but low key, we wasn't even really a couple at that time. We didn't start dating until we was 18, 19. No, yeah, 18. I was 19, he was 18 when we started dating. And that's crazy.
But next question.
But I liked him since I was 11. Okay. So
hey, this
question.
water, y'all, it tastes like toilet water now. Like, I picked it up. I was like, I thought I was tripping because it was
dog water.
Yeah, see? Dog water. I don't be.
Let me see the next question.
I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. Ooh.
I really think the food is done. I smell it. I'm about to go get the food before I get the next question. Okay. So I'm back, and we got hot Takis. They did it in the air fryer, and they're done. They look really spicy, really good. They look like the Takis, right? Maybe I want to try it with some ranch or some sour cream. So that's what he's going to do. I'm going to eat mine plain at first. Oh, I guess I should have got a paper plate. This sour cream.
Yeah.
Where you don't want no ranch? I thought you was getting ranch too.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the ranch.
You don't got to. You might not even got no ranch. I'm about to hurry up. I want to try one. I want to try one. Who remember that in school? Did y'all used to ever beat on the table at school like? Wait, don't get the pencil. I got these scissors. Who remember that? Come on, bust a beat. Bust a flow.
Stop, don't stop. Never even thought about it.
Spit you something off the dome. Julia. You know I never make a fool of ya.
That's how we used to rap back then.
They be like, and out. Drop the mic. Okay, so Savion just did this. Sour cream, I want. Guess which one is the ranch? Guess which one is the sour cream?
Ooh. Oh.
I want the, matter of fact, I don't want this one. Can I put it back, babe? You hate when I do stuff like that. I want the one with the hottest hot stuff on it. And I think it's this one, right? What do y'all think? This one, I'm like, wait, you tried it without me. What you think? Huh? Should I try the whole thing, break it in half? I'm gonna break mine in half. See? The cheese kind of melted a little bit more. Back out now.
Fire.
It's hot as hell.
That's it.
No, yeah, these good.
It's the one. It's the one. It's the one. It's the one.
If you do a dance, you don't know it's
Your
good.
food always better when you do a dance. It does. Tastes better than anything. People like, damn.
But say, open, eat it. Woo! How about start rapping? You like it with the sour cream or with the ranch?
Yeah, I didn't want to tell them though. I met you at the church house.
Why?
It's
It's hot. I need some of the box water.
babe.
Okay, I'm gonna do the next question.
Next question.
I remember it.
I'm about to say it was a lot of at the church. That's why I ain't want to. You made me say
Hey, who church?
international.
You was not named by my church.
Yeah.
I'm cutting that out. I'm beeping it.
A few moments later.
So the next question.
You say mom, baby.
I don't want this shit.
Baby, stop it. You do stuff like that.
I don't want that.
Babe.
Don't play with me. Play with your toys. You got toys?
You don't want this
You
around?
got toys?
You breaking my
You
heart.
got toys?
Hey, come on.
You got it's fine.
Okay.
I don't know. That's not a good. You get on my nerves. Next question is, how old was us when we got married?
Oh. 19?
Who was 19?
20. I was 20. I was a dub. I was a good dub. I was a dub for sure.
I was a dub and a one.
Dub and a one. Okay. One and a dub.
I was 21.
He was 21. I was 20.
He proposed to me in the chattiest way that I ever seen in life. But I said yes.
Oh, no. Take that for another story. They pay for that shit. It's heat, though. It's heat. Ooh, it's heat. She lying. It's heat.
Chatty.
Tell him.
Chatty
Nah, we gonna
daddy.
save it. We gonna
Chatty
save it.
daddy.
We gonna save it. It's so heat.
I got pictures in all. Trust me. When I do tell that story, I got a whole bunch of pictures to
I'm trying to check me up that shit. He said, you just can't marry her without calling me.
Yeah, he didn't even ask my daddy. What kind of man don't ask my daddy?
We gonna say that.
Yeah, my daddy did call him and was like, hey, you ain't just gonna ask my daughter to marry you and you ain't even ask for my permission. My daddy kind of old school in a way. But he heard down, talked to Heavy out, they had a little talk.
I knew he was Golden Glove. That's the only reason I didn't respond. Like, I would usually respond.
Not because he
He
golden
said,
glove.
hey.
Spearman in control in this round.
You know what I'm saying? If he wasn't Golden Glove, it would have been a different response.
My daddy used to be a professional boxer, now he a coach. And he did win a national golden glove. So he talking about some golden gloves. He crazy.
Yeah, you know.
My daddy, I wasn't gonna let my daddy lay no hands on this boy. On this man here.
I'll sue. I believe in suing. Yeah, I believe in suing. Professional boxers. Anybody else will fight, but professional boxers, we're gonna sue. Lay that.
Stupid as shit. We are done. But all right, y'all. I'm done with this video. We out. Cause my mouth hot.
He's good too.
You like him?
Yeah.
I like him too. What you rate? Okay, look, let's rate them. What you rate these? I don't want out of here before we go.
They like an 8. That's pretty good.
They every bit that spicy. It's every bit on a 10, like on a radar. It give you that hot. It give you that like. I wish did I ain't have that on my fingers? You know how when you be eating hot Cheetos, you get like the hot on your fingers.
Good
That's the part that I
yeah.
love.
I go 9.
I love that.
I couldn't
So
give
for
it
the
10
spicy,
now.
for the spicy, it's a 10. For the cheese, it's like an 8. The box water, it's just some regular water to me. So I give it about a
1.
5. Now I give it on a medium scale. 5.
You can just put this shit in a jar. This shit should be just like this.
Not a jar.
Yeah, this shit.
They do it in a bottle.
It's fish water, for real. Oh, that's why I was scared when I was pouring it. I thought a fish was gonna fall out of this motherfucker.
Not a fish bottle.
I was so scared when I was pouring it. You have this shit right here.
I can't remember.
I was like, please God, don't fish fall out.
Don't take on my box water. All right. Thank you guys for watching our video. Stay tuned for the next.
We coming back with more bangers, you know. Hey, I got some unreleased pranks, and she got some unreleased pranks. Man, we been working, y'all. And thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.
Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take you down. Bitch, I must been drunk when I made this. Hold on, bitch, I'm drunk as fuck. Bitch, can I eat that pussy like what? Can I beat that pussy up like...
Stop cheating on us. We know y'all been watching other people's channels. Y'all stop that shit.
Y'all
That's
can
cheating.
watch other people's
That's
channels.
cheating. Don't do that shit. Y'all stay here. Rewind that shit. It's called
we
watch
ain't selfish.
time hours. Y'all
We ain't
rewind that
selfish.
shit.
We
If you
ain't
can't,
selfish.
look, watch this shit like Friday. You know how you can repeat the lines and shit? Yeah, do that.
Do that.
No, do that. See, yeah.
No, we on some bullshit. Y'all can watch who y'all
like,
want
listen,
to watch.
that's
I don't
fantasy,
care about
you
stuff
know?
like that. Y'all watch who y'all want to watch because what's coming to us is coming to us. I love y'all. We thank y'all for the support. Y'all
This
can
shit
support
nasty,
whoever
though.
else y'all want to support.
No, y'all don't.
It goes around the
We
world.
gonna turn it off.
Because what's ours is
Nah.
ours and what's yours is
Y'all only watch
yours.
this
And
channel.
nobody can stop it. What's mine is mine. It's mine is mine.
We ain't gonna watch y'all shit no more. We ain't gonna watch y'all shit no more.
And nobody can stop it.
Want me to name drop who we watch? We
No,
don't
I
watch
ain't
that shit no
dropping.
more.
We watch a lot of people. I love you guys. Bye-bye.
I want a name drop.